Hi everyone! Today we're diving into custom structural components, alignment tips, and group editing tricks that will elevate your Revit projects. So let's start! To create a custom structural component, we'll start by going to the Architecture tab and select Model in Place. Under the category list, choose Structural Framing and give your component a unique name like Center AI. So from here, we'll set up our work plane to ensure precise alignment with our model. Make sure to use the Set Work Plane tool and align it to an appropriate surface. This helps maintain accuracy when modeling in 3D. Now switch to your elevation view and sketch the shape of your structural member. Remember, all lines need to be continuous. Use the Trim command to ensure everything connects properly. Once your sketch is done, click the check mark to finish the extrusion. Adjust the depth. I'm using 8 inches for this design. And always double check your work in 3D to ensure it aligns with your vision. To align your component with grid lines, use the Copy and Move commands. Because this reference plane is tied to a specific element, you'll only be able to move it along the plane. If you copy to reposition it further, create a copy and adjust its placement manually. So now let's proceed to groups. Select your element, then go to the Modify tab and hit Create Group. Naming your group is crucial for keeping your project organized. Now, whenever you need to edit one instance, all other instances will update automatically. But be careful. Using too many groups can increase file size. Use them strategically for repetitive elements. If ever you need to make adjustments, simply edit the group, adjust the extrusion lines, and use the Mirror tool for symmetrical designs. Once you're satisfied, finish the group and review it in 3D. If you ever get stuck while editing a group, use the shortcut FG to finish the group quickly. For presentation, duplicate your 3D view and rename it, something like Structural Frame. Adjust the scale, clean up unnecessary grids, and drag it onto a sheet. It's these details that make your design stand out. Now it's your turn. Create 2 structural plans, one with W-section members and one with custom components. Add a 3D view to your sheet and export it as a PDF. Alright, that's it, and thanks for watching. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Revit videos like this. See you in the next video.